One of the tastiest South Indian breakfast is Ada. It is a typical South Indian dish made with a combination of lentils soaked and ground into a batter, garnished and then flattened on a dosa tawa, just like the way dosas are made. Just that here the batter is little thicker than dosa batter and even the Ada is little thicker than dosas. So now let's see how simple it is to make this yummy Ada. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Babita and you're watching me on my channel Living Trends. Let's now get to the making of this yummy Ada. Take a mixing bowl, add 1 1/4 cup of Bengal gram dal. I have taken 1 1/4 cup of Bengal gram dal, 1 cup of tur dal, also known as pigeon pea, 2 tablespoons urad dal, 1 cup of raw rice, and 1 cup of idli rice or boiled rice. Now wash all these ingredients thoroughly 2 to 3 times and soak it for about 2 hours. Now that the lentils are washed thoroughly, add 6 red chilies to this bowl and leave it soaked for about 2 hours. Now after 2 hours, take the contents to a mixer jar. The red chilies and then the lentils. Take them to a mixer jar. Add some salt as per the requirement and grind it to a smooth batter. Not very fine, not too grainy. When you actually touch the batter, when it's done, you should feel teeny weeny grainy texture. That's the right texture of the batter we should be getting. Now transfer the batter to a mixing bowl. Add some water if needed and mix it well. Now to garnish the batter, add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger. 1 tablespoon of very finely chopped ginger, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, a few curry leaves, and 1 cup of finely chopped onions. 1 cup or 1 large onion finely chopped. Mix it well until all the ingredients are mixed thoroughly in the batter. While grinding, we have added some salt, so now check again for salt and add more salt if needed based on your requirement. Mix it well. Add 1 teaspoon of coriander leaves. This is optional. Add it only if you like it. And based on the consistency of the batter, add little more water. Don't add too much, just a little water. And check the consistency. Mix it well. And now the batter is ready. Now keep the griddle or the dosa tawa on the stove top and wait until it gets heated up. Dab some oil with a mull cotton cloth or tissue paper. You can also use onion to oil the tawa. Now take a ladle full of batter and pour it on the tawa. Flatten it nicely and evenly in a round shape. Don't make it too thin. Guys, if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and consider subscribing, and I'm sure you won't be disappointed. There's a lot of fun stuff coming your way. Dab some oil over the edges. Take a fork and prick the ada hither and thither so that it gets cooked evenly. Now slowly run the spatula or the turner along the edges of the ada. Only after these raw edges are done, you may flip over the ada. So, after these raw edges are done, you have to flip the ada over the other side and cook it on the other side. Flip it over and cook it on the other side. Now again run the spatula or the turner along the edges. Slightly flip and check if the other side is done. Once it's all evenly cooked, take it to the serving plate and enjoy it with coconut chutney or spicy tomato chutney or ginger chutney. I usually like it most with mango pickle, the spicy Andhra avakai. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.